Hello computer enthusiasts. Today I'm going to show you a new power supply what I did choose for my budget build. It's from Aerocool Integrator 600 watts. And it's brand new, still packed, sealed. We're gonna be unboxing that. So from side it says be cool, be Aerocool. Integrator. Nice. Yeah. I'm sorry for the sticker from front, but Amazon did put slap stickers all over that, and it says 80 plus. You have a 80 plus bronze. Let me open that. Okay, that's better. You can see everything. Oh, sorry for that. I did order some lighting and stuff, so next time when I'm making video I will have actually soft boxes already, and maybe different backgrounds and everything, working on it. It's still in progress, the shooting setup. And actually before we open that, let's have a look on the back what it says. Okay, we did mention it's Integrator Aerocool 600 watts, and it's have a 24 pin, yeah, 20 plus 4 pin, obviously 4 plus 4 pin for your CPU SATA. It have a 7 times SATA, 4 Molex, 2 PCI Express 6 plus 2 pin, and 1 FDD 4 pin. These were used for floppy drives, and since I haven't seen any connector actually before it, but it's still there. Maybe card readers, who knows. Let's have a look what it says there. It says Haswell ready, which was already fourth generation of Intel. And let's open the box. Sorry for my hands. Okay, 80 plus bronze. Nice. So it greets us with a power supply user manual. Just basic information how to plug it in and stuff. Let's put that away. 4 screws for fitting that in a case, but usually these screws coming with case as well. And here is the power supply. Let's put that box away. Here is the power supply itself. So it's have a sleeved cables. It's non-modular. Everything is connected to the power supply. So you have like a octopus there. That's my missus call it, octopus. She always, when I'm doing cable management, she's saying I'm managing again. Octopus is there. Let's open that. Yeah. Okay. The power supply have a nice weight to it. It's not like super light, so it doesn't feel cheap. But it wasn't expensive. It's budget power supply, and don't forget that. On the side, it's about the values. Max combined 552 watts for on 12 plus volts. Yep. 120mm fan, nice black matte finish, and there are the connectors itself. Well, I'm gonna be powering with this power supply RX 580 8GB from Sapphire. So there will be next video for the RX 580 where I will be taking it apart, repasting, changing thermal paste, and do some 3D marks and stuff. So let's see this one, because it did say it's have a 2 times 6 plus 2 PCI Express, and they are actually on one lead, on one cable. Okay, so that's not separate rail, but still fine. So we have the 6 plus 2 here. We have our SATA. No, these are Molexes. So Molex 1, 2, okay, 2 Molexes on one cable, and 2 SATA on one cable. It is the PCI Express. It is another lead. It's got that floppy connection or card reader, as I did mention. Molex SATA. Another lead. It's have a 4 SATA on it. And 24 pin, which you can separate here if you have an old motherboard which takes just 20 pin, but digress, I don't know who have it still. Maybe somebody do. Somebody still have them, so it can be used like that. Alright guys, so this will be going in a budget build. I did pay £35, I believe, shipped from Amazon. I will put link in below in the description. And stay tuned for more videos. Like, subscribe, comment, as you wish. Thank you.